Before we get to this review, please make sure to like the video, to write a comment, and to subscribe to the channel. Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be reviewing the Z Flex Tilt Tripod Head by Walway. This tripod head is made for any camera that is tripod mountable. This package includes one folding Z Flex Tilt Tripod Head and one Allen key to adjust the pivot points. For those who mobility is important to them, I think they will appreciate that this tripod head was made of somewhat light plastic. Another feature is that it folds in different angles, which should allow you to record in 6 angles. Also, fold-in design makes it easy to carry and store. Another benefit to this tripod head is that it also can double as stand for your camera, so that if you were planning to shoot and didn't have your tripod, you can use this head to stand your camera. But one of the bad things that I've noticed is that this tripod head has 4 pivot joints that can be adjusted with the provided Allen key. I have noticed that some of the joints are hard to firmly secure and the tripod head ends up collapsing. Honestly, I have had a hard time trying to keep this tripod head up, and because of this, I'm thinking about returning this and making my own. Once again, thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like this video, to comment, to subscribe, and also share it with others. Also make sure to come back for the next video. Thank you.